Hello guys, because I was usually here, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So guys, naledi aphiwe uthi ulahlekelwe iPhone bebak event eSandton. So the female rapper obekanaye oyi-1 was, let's listen to her story ukuthi uthini kahle lo mntwana.
Mina guys bengise toilet ne mangise toilet okay ngingene no Nthabiseng mangena no Nthabiseng ngishooting ngithathe izithombe ngefoni yami naye yabo and then aphuma and then ngisale toilet mangisala toilet kube khona usisi yabo kube khona usisi afuna ukushootha nami yabo okay sishuthe ifoni yami besakhona okay ngingene toilet ngiphuma nefoni yami isakhona. I don't clearly remember ukuthi ngifake ephaketheni or ngibekile while ngiwash izandla between those two yabo okay ingeni celeb yabo mangeni celeb angifuni ukusho igama lomuntu because I'm not sure but ingeni celeb malingeni celeb afike toilet and then aze eduze kwami maye eduze kwami angazi noma ifoni uyikhiphile or ifoni uyithathile mangena okay mayingena afike eduze kwami angimjwayele nje yabo mangena naledi my baby we see you you're doing great and then makaphuma uphuma kanje like akaphumi kanje isicapha like makaphuma akaphumi like isicapha nje asiqonde kanje uphuma uyahlehla naledi we see you yabo yonke leyo nto leyo. Luckily benginomuntu engilindile eminyango my manager uDK bekangilindile eminyango mangilindile the girl went straight to the door akaphindanga aya kwi-event she just went straight to the door waphuma yabo wahamba yabo angengilisho igama lakhe but yeah uphumile yena wahamba kwi-event waphuma kwi-building eSandton wahamba because it says i-tracker ifoni yasho ukuthi 7 minutes ago uphumile lo muntu kwavela discam abangaphandle and then masifika la endlini ebusuku because sivele sahamba sangaqhubeka nje sivele sahamba masifika la sithi siyayitracker ithi se-Alexandra okay and then sazama ke ukuphuma la endlini siye khona sa-check i-location and then sathi ngesikwazi ukuthi siye emzini womuntu siyonoka because izobe ngathi yabo siyamhlasela or something asiqale police station and then police station bafuna izinto eziningi and then we couldn't go siye kuloya muzi loya yabo sayeka kanjalo ke but ngiyamsola lo sisi lo ngiyamsola ukuthi ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukusho igama lakhe but awukwazi like iqondanile yonke into wena ifoni sayi-track 7 minutes ago wena usuhambile wena usukephi mina nje shothi ngithengele i-celebrity iPhone 12 siyakubongela sisi wami you've won yourself an iPhone 12 not iPhone 12 iPhone 16 siyakubongela kakhulu siyakubongela inkosi kubusisa utholile iPhone yakho ongayifuzelanga ongayisebenzelanga wena nje uyinja nje hayi wena uyinja nje uNkulunkulu nje novela athi imana uthole iPhone 16 wena nje uyighost. Siyakubongela kakhulu sisi wami inkosi iqhubeke kubusisa uthole namaguji ucoshe ngawo ngathi ungacosha nangemoto one day ijiwe khona siyakubongela.